My goal is to automate Lego trains. Let multiple trains drive around the track until the battery runs out. Therefore, trains need to run smoothly around the track. I had some problems when testing railway crossings and came up with a solution I would like to share with you, which makes this video different than previous ones. As you probably know by now, Lego stopped selling railway crossings for the railway systems. So if you want a crossing in your Lego railway, you need to buy one from some other manufacturer like Blue Bricks or from China. Or you build one with Lego bricks. There are a lot of tutorials on the internet how to build one. I built one myself and I had some mixed results. I'm not completely satisfied with the crossing. You can see that in my movie about testing the crossing support on my software. The reason for it is that the crossing is not very strong. The first 20 or 40 passes it works fine, but after a while tails are getting looser and looser and trains start doing non-desirable things like derailing. The green carpet is not a solid base either. Of course, the solution is make everything more solid by putting it on a ground plate. But when I started doing this, a second problem became more obvious. This self-made crossing does not have the same dimensions as a Lego railway crossing. Let me show you what I mean with this double track railway. This has a standard space of 8 studs. If I had 2 of these Lego-ish crossings, I could cross this double track without problem. By comparison, here is the old 12-volt crossing. It has the same dimensions. The self-made Lego crossing is bigger. So I was looking for a new solution and I wanted to use a ground plate anyway, which gives me another option to connect everything together. This is how it looks and I will now show you how to build this. I used this crossing in my newer video and it works perfectly. Thanks for watching, until next time.